Okay, guys, here we are again. This video is going to specifically deal with how to edit the contributors page. And so from your back end, when you're at the dashboard, you're going to want to go to pages. And this is just going to bring you every single page that's on the entire website. So you can search or you can just scroll. You want to find yourself the contributors page, and here you go. You can click edit or you can just click contributors. For me, it's just easier. I'm just going to click contributors. So we'll let this load in, and it takes a second to load up. It'll appear right here once it loads in. It's a plugin for WordPress called Visual Composer. It takes a lot of code away. It makes it a lot easier. Okay, so here we go. So if we were on the contributors page, we can actually just go there now so that we can see what's going on. Okay. So here we are at the contributors page, and you can see how this is a similar layout to this. And if you scroll down, you'll see like the 4 along the bottom here and the 4 that are here. Yeah. So let's dive right in. So if you were going to be like adding another person down at the bottom or editing one of these, like, because I know this one's like a triple duplicate. So let's look at this. So you have the image. If you scroll over it, you have an edit single image button. You can click that, and you can just from right here upload in a different image with this add image button, and that's something that you guys have definitely done before, so I won't go in too deep about that. And so then after that comes what's under the picture, like the name and the email address, and that can be edited in the exact same way, but from right here. And there's just looks like that, you know. And you can swap it over to text if that's easier for me to look at. It's strange, but that's just much easier. So, but yeah, you can just put in whatever you need there, and then right under that, it looks like there's just like a little saying thing, and you can do the same exact thing. They're all just little text blocks. So you can just go in and just change what they say. Make sure you hit save changes when you do all of these things, though. And then this, I wouldn't worry about if I was you guys. It's just a bunch of HTML that's making the social icons pop up. Yeah, and so when you do all this stuff and you hit save changes, it doesn't actually save all the changes right then. You're going to make sure you hit update, or if you scroll to the top, the button will be here. Now, if you wanted to add like a whole nother 4 people into this, then what you would want to do is you'd want to hit this, clone this row, and then you could go in and, you know, delete the image off all of them and delete all the words out of all of them, and then redo them for different people. That would be the easiest way, because otherwise you're going to have to know exactly what me and the developers did to actually create these little sections. So just to duplicate it, and it'll appear at the bottom. And since there's this empty white space down at the bottom so that there's some room between the footer and this, then when you duplicate, what you're going to need to do is hit the drag on the duplicated section. It'll look exactly like these, but it'll be at the bottom. And you're going to want to grab it and just simply drag it in between so that it's above the empty space. And then you can go in and just, you know, delete and change as you see fit. And the exact same thing goes for these higher up ones. They're all the same thing. If for some reason you only wanted 3 at the top instead of 6, fucking delete them, toss them in the trash. You know, it's simple as that. And I do believe, in terms of layout of this page, that is all there is. Yeah, that's it. And each of these sections functions just like one of the other sections. So that should be it. Just the image, edit with the pencil, the name and the email, edit with the pencil, the writing under them, edit with the pencil. And that should be good. All right, but if there are any questions, then send me an email and we can just figure it out. All right, thanks.